Hey everyone, this is the demo of the account abstraction Snap. So first of all, I'm just going to install my Snap. Uh, Install. Once I've installed my Snap, now I can create Snap cleaning accounts. So right now I'm on. Let's switch to Linear Girly, and now I'm going to create an account. Name 4337 account. Send. If I refresh, I'll see that there is an account created. This is a smart contract wallet account with the signer, which is this guy. So if I click on this, I will be able to go to the linear testnet and see that this address exists, but there is nothing on this address. This is just a normal address. It's not a contract. It's nothing, just address. Because creating an account is basically just getting the address from the entry point, not actually deploying it. But when I actually do the first transaction, that's when I will actually the account gets deployed. So I have a token available here. And what I'm going to do is I created this using third web, and I'm just going to transfer some tokens to the wallet that I just created. And I'm basically going to demonstrate how to transfer tokens using the account abstraction user operations. So once the accounts get tokens get transferred, we will check the balance on chain, and then we will transfer it to another address. Okay, so the transaction went through. If we refresh, you can see we have got 100 LAA tokens. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on transfer tokens. I'm going to also open my console because that's where I will get the um, user operation transaction hash. So this is not a transaction hash that I can view on the linear scan. Unfortunately, there is Jiffy Scan does not support um, user operations here. But since I actually in the code I've hard coded to transfer 10 tokens when I click that button. So let's see if 10 tokens were transferred. So we can see it's still 100. Linear user operations do take a lot of time compared to other. So we can see that now it's 90. Um, And we can also see that the contract tab has opened up. This basically means that now there is an account deployed at this address, and the code is very small because I'm guessing it's a minimal proxy pattern or singleton pattern. But the tokens have been transferred, right? So this is basically how I had no balance whatsoever, and I was still able to transfer tokens because I was using Pimlico's verifying paymaster. Now, let's go ahead and delete this account. I'm gonna refresh, connect my wallet, and now let's switch to the base chain because this snap also supports base Goerli testnet. So I'm just gonna create another account with the same name. I can create that because I've deleted the previous account. Just going to create an account. Now refresh. Now I got a new account. This is on the base chain. If I click here, I will go to the base scan and I can see again no balance, no contract, code, etc. So this is basically just an address, nothing more right now. Now, what I've done is I also have a UI here to basically execute any transaction using account abstraction. And I have a NFT on base testnet. All I have to do now is pass the call data so that I can mint that NFT. So I'm just going to use cast quickly. And here I have the data. Actually, we'll also need the mint. So let's copy this, paste, and then this. Paste. Now, when I click on send, I will be basically minting an NFT on base Goerli testnet using user operation and to the address which I just created. So let's wait here for the user operation hash. And here it is. Now I can take this user operation hash and go to Jiffy Scan because Jiffy Scan actually supports base. So I will be able to see the details of the user operation. Looks like it's not went through yet. And now we can basically see that I just minted token number two, which was a AANFT, and the sender was this address. So if we go back, we can see it's the same address here. And if we go to yeah, so one thing I haven't have been facing problems is that the Snaps accounts are not being visible here. They sometimes are visible here, sometimes they're not. I don't know how it works yet, but that's pretty much it. There's one more thing. Let's go to notifications, and you also get notifications of the user operations being sent. So have fun and enjoy. I would say use the any transaction UI here to basically try to send all different kinds of different types of transactions and see how it works. Thank you.